Welcome. Today in front of me XIAOMI Mi 10 Pro 5G, and I'll show you that the device comes with a 3.5mm headphones adapter on this box by default. So first I'll just open the box, and as can you see, we got here the headphones adapter with a 3.5mm, and just to use the headphones you just should put this Type-C adapter here, and then just here to use the headphones with a 3.5mm part. So that's how it looks, and if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe our channel.